If you want your desired keywords from Google Trends, then these are the specific things you should keep in your mind while using Google Trend. Firstly, use a specific search term. This will give you more accurate results. For example, instead of searching marketing, you could search for content marketing or inbound marketing. Use filters. The filters on Google Trend can be very helpful for narrowing down your results. You can filter by country, region, and time period, and even by device. This can help you get more relevant results for your specific needs. Consider the time period. When you are looking at Google Trend, it is important to consider the time period. Look at related queries. Google Trend also show you related queries. This can be helpful for finding new keywords that are related to your target keywords. For example, if you are looking for keywords related to marketing, you might see related queries like SEO, PPC, and content marketing. Consider the competition. You can also use Google Trend to see what keywords your competitors are ranking for. This can help you identify opportunities to outrank your competition and improve your website visibility. And if you like this video, please let me know by liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel.